everyone, this is Tanyame. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, in this episode, I'm going to show you the difference between standard transmission and close ratio transmission. I'm honored that I've been given the opportunity to test drive this very rare Toyota Corolla FSGT 2-doors, which I think is the only one in Sarawak. I didn't know it exists until I met Alan Kong. Unbelievable. It's a very unique and beautiful car. He runs a garage which is a Speedmaster garage, which is located in Miri. In year 2019, I've been given the opportunity to drive his car. During that time, his car was using the OEM transmission, which is C56. After the race, I found out that the OEM transmission was not suitable for this track because the track is too small. Most of the time, the RPM is beyond the power band. So Alan Kong decided to swap the OEM transmission to a close ratio, and he let me test drive in the final round 2019 time attack. Surprisingly, the car did very well. It managed to shave off 1 second. The close ratio transmission is very suitable for this track because whenever I shift the gear right, the RPS is around the power band, so it's very good and powerful, and it's very responsive. I'm gonna merge two videos again so that you guys can see the difference. Anyway, enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or my Facebook page for more video updates in the future. Thank you very much and enjoy the video.